It's my feel-good breakfast show.
You know that freaky sci-fi sound means only one thing. It's time to enter the final frontier. And this morning, we are taking a look back in time, probably as early as we can look back in time, in fact, to the early stages of our very universe. This past week, it was revealed that 83 previously undiscovered supermassive black holes have been found at the edge of the observable universe. And here to unpack it is astronomer of the University of Cape Town, Jacinta Delhaize. Jacinta, welcome to it.
Thank you.
Don't mean to be alarmist or terrify people out there, because supermassive black holes, it's something that freaks me out just a little bit, but they're some distance away, thankfully. This really is awesome. I would imagine from your perspective, within your industry, discovering something like this is really exciting. So take us to the actual discovery itself. How did we discover these supermassive black holes, and just how far away are they?
Yeah, so there was a team of Japanese and international astronomers, and they used a special camera called Hypersuprime Cam, and that's on a telescope called Subaru up on a mountain in Hawaii. And what they did is they found 83 supermassive black holes, and these supermassive black holes are inside galaxies. And there's galaxy stuff falling into these black holes, gas and dust and things. And as that's happening, they're heating up to really high temperatures, releasing enormous amounts of energy and shining so brightly that we can see them even though they're on the far reaches of the universe.
When you say far reaches, just how far back in time are we seeing now? How close to the original, the Big Bang, that original energy source are we seeing?
Yeah, so the entire universe acts as kind of like a big time machine, and that's because it takes light a certain amount of time to travel to us. So the more distant we look in space, the further back in time we're looking, and these galaxies are so far away, they're 13 billion light years away, if you can wrap your mind around that.
No, I can't. I'll spend the rest of the day trying to now and be completely freaked out.
They existed when the universe was only less than 1 billion years old, so less than 5% of its current age.
Wow, it's mind-blowing that we can actually encompass so much. I would imagine now, with our understanding of, and our compound understanding of the universe and how we can process information, that this is a big thing. Why is this so exciting to discover something like? What does it mean in your field?
Yeah, so it means that we've found many more supermassive black holes in the early universe than we previously knew existed. And one of the ones that they've found is actually the second most distant one ever discovered. So we now know that many more existed than we previously thought in the early universe. And now we're trying to figure out how they got there. Why these objects that are so massive and so dense existed when they shouldn't have in the early universe.
I'm going to run over here, but I have to ask, what makes a black hole supermassive? Just how big is supermassive?
It's about 1 million to 1 billion times the mass of our sun.
Boom. That was insane. Thank you so much. Now, for the rest of the day, I'm going to be preoccupied with being able to look back in time, but that is truly spectacular. I would suggest just go and search for supermassive black holes on the internet right now, and you'll pick up some amazing stories on what has to be an incredible discovery in this time.